What's up guys, here's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's graphic design tutorial we're gonna learn how to move from this layout to this layout. So basically we're gonna learn how to use shadows in your designs on Canva. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content for a friend of yours. And you can even use Canva free in the case that you want. You can upload a shadow effect that you can download on anything on the internet on PNG format to use, okay? But for this tutorial I'm gonna use the Canva Pro, but remember, you still can use the free version. This at point. Let's learn how to do this. But before, take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share this content for a friend of yours. You have no idea how much that helps us. After this, go to your design. As you can see, there is no much professional on it. Okay, so there is just an image and some elements. What makes the design looks professional normally is the detail. The detail can be shadows, the detail can be an overlay, a focus effect, something like this. Make a design for ordinary to extraordinary, okay? And into this we're gonna go to elements into the left sidebar of menus on Canva and search for shadow. You're gonna be able to see things like this. You're gonna move to graphics and click on see all. And right here we have a couple of shadow effects. I like this one for this image scenario. I prefer this one. So all I have to do is drag and drop the shadow effect right here. Now select it, move it, expand it just like this. Now move the shadow effect layer to back. And here is the design we got. Now click on it. Right click with your mouse button. You're gonna be able to find a couple of elements, select, duplicate, move the shadow just like this to the very bottom of the design. Now we're gonna click on the shadow, flip, okay, flip vertical, now select the text on the image, right click, layer, move to front, go to shadow, layer, move to back, and here is the result we got. Now imagine that even with this shadow there is some parts of the face of this model that would like to apply some shadow in, okay? How to do this? You can use another shadow effect. There is a couple of right here. I like this one, but I think this one gonna be more effective, okay? Move the shadow effect just like this. Drop it. Maybe just like this. You need to respect the side where the light is. The light it's coming from left to right, okay? So you can apply shadows just like here, okay? And this can make a bigger shadow effect into the face of the model. So instead of this, you have a more dramatic face, okay? This is a nice trick as well. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. Don't forget to check out the Visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, blog and or tutorials. See you guys tomorrow. All the best!